Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question and the topic of margin of error. Let's dive into it. A market research firm surveyed 2,000 customers about their satisfaction with a new product. The results, including a margin of error, suggest that between 72% and 80% of customers are satisfied. Which of the following statements must be true? Okay, now we have to find out the margin of error before solving this, so let's find the range of those two first, and then we're gonna continue. How to find the range is the biggest number subtracted by the smallest number, so 80 minus 72 equals to 8. That is our range. That is not our margin of error. Don't confuse yourself, because I can see in the choices at 8%, but that can confuse you, but that is not the margin of error. Okay, now there's something called midpoint, and I think it is similar to the mean because you do the same thing basically. What you do is add all the data you got and divide it by the number of data you got. That is exactly what we're gonna do at the midpoint. So we got 72% plus 80% divided by the number of data we got. In this case 2, right? I hope you said 2. And then that equals to our range is 8 divided by 2, because we divided by 2 on one side, so we're gonna divide by 2 on the other side. Now 72 plus 80 is 152 divided by 2. That is 76 equals to 4%. So 76 is our midpoint, and 4% is our margin of error. Okay, now how to see if we did that correctly? Our midpoint basically tells us midpoint plus margin of error, midpoint minus margin of error is gonna give us the answer. So 76 plus 4 must be equal to 80, and 76 minus 4 must be equal to 72. Is that the case? I think so. That's why we eliminate A. If the margin of error would be 8%, we would have to add 8 on both sides, and not on both sides, and take away 8, and that would not give us this data. So that is absolutely incorrect, so we eliminate A. B says 76% of the customers in the sample are satisfied with the margin error of 4. That is correct, that's what we found out. C says between 72% and 80% of all customers are satisfied with the product. That is a true claim, but that is not what we're looking for. Which statements must be true? It is kind of true, but it is irrelevant because we have to find out the margin of error in this case, and that does not include anything about the margin of error. So is it on the choice D? I believe, but we can still read. If another random sample of 2,000 customers were surveyed, 76% would report satisfaction. Nope, that is not true. So B is the most accurate answer to this given question. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.